Crest's best and fastest whitening technology at home. A lightweight, disposable, water-resistant, handheld device that weakens stains. When used as directed, Crest Whitestrips with light whitens dramatically better than strips alone. Whitening results last up to 36 months. Apply light to upper and lower teeth until it turns off automatically. Full results in 10 days. 1 light and 10 teeth whitening strip treatments, each with 1 upper and 1 lower strip. Apply once a day for 60 minutes. Number 1 teeth whitening brand in America. Based on Nielsen U.S. reported sales data, August 2021. Crest 3D White's new, unique blue light system uses the same type of light technology dentists use. The blue light weakens stains so that the whitening ingredient can work more effectively. The result is dramatically better whitening compared to strips alone that lasts up to 36 months. Top reviews from the United States. Hello super sensitive teeth, bye-bye yellow teeth. My teeth are nice and white now, but super sensitive. I stared using it for 3 days straight. Then I change it to every other day and it feels less sensitive. Use a sensitive toothpaste if you are using this. Works for me. Open mouth smile. Open mouth smile.